What is SQL? SQL is a standard database query language. It is used to access and manipulate data in databases. SQL is a declarative language that specifies the desired results, but not the steps to achieve those results. SQL is a powerful tool for accessing and manipulating data, and it is the world's most widely used database query language. Benefits of SQL. SQL is a standard database query language that enables users to manipulate and query data in a database quickly. SQL is widely used in many applications and environments, such as web applications, data warehouses, and e-commerce applications. SQL provides many benefits over other database query languages, such as improved performance, better data integrity, and more accessible data manipulation. Cons of SQL. If you are unfamiliar with programming or database concepts, SQL can be challenging to learn. SQL can be slow compared to other languages, mainly when working with large databases. And SQL is not well suited for certain types of tasks, such as complex mathematical calculations or machine learning. Dear friend, if you like this video, kindly make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you stay informed about all our upcoming latest videos. Keep watching Protech Computer Education. Thank you.